Hey everyone, Tim here. In this video I would like to show you how to migrate data from old MacBook to the new one. So without any further delays, let's begin. I have the new MacBook on the left and the old one on the right. Let's start with the new one. First, fire up the Launchpad, search for Migration Assistant, click on Continue and enter the password. Right, let's move to the old MacBook, open the Launchpad, type in the Migration Assistant, click on Continue at the prompt and enter the password. On the next window, you will see three options and you have to choose the third option, Call to another Mac, and click on Continue. This migration process may take hours to complete, so don't forget to plug both computers to AC power before continue further. Let me just plug in mine and click Continue. Now the old computer should be discoverable with its name. In this case, it's Omega. Alright, we're done with that. Let's move to the new computer and make sure to select the first option, which is from a Mac. Let me zoom in right there. And let's just continue. And again, just make sure AC power is connected. And this should discover Omega right here. There you are. Let's just double confirm the name right there, Omega. As you can see, that's the one. Let's go and click on Omega and just continue. This code should be appeared on both screens. I think this process now should push the profiles and the files to the new computer. There you are. It picked up the profiles and the system files. We just need to click continue and configure the new passwords here. Type in the new password for each and every profile. And I'm just going to fast forward this. I think I had a same username on the new computer, so I have to rename it. Let me just quickly do that. Voila, it's all done. It should now migrate all your files to the new computer. Done.